Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ritika this side and welcome to another brand new vlog. Today I'm gonna share with you all the most requested video hostel room tour. As you all know that currently I'm a PGDM student at STM IMD Mysore. So this is the hostel which I'm gonna show you today. Every corner you would know what I keep. वैसे सच बताओ तो हॉस्टल रूम्स तो ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं होता एंड इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ बॉक्स बट आई हैव ट्राइड टू गिव इट अ होमली फीलिंग. So today I'm gonna show you all what little things that I have added in my hostel to give a beautiful home decor. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off with the corner of my bed, I've ordered this bedsheet from Meesho and it's so pretty. As you can see, the color of the wall is yellow, so I thought कुछ contrast अच्छा लगेगा, so इसीलिए I ordered this color and it's very comfortable and it's pure cotton. I will add the link in the description below. You can buy it. बेडशीट के साथ एक पिलो कवर भी मिलता है. एंड लुक एट दिस क्यूटीज. आई एम ऑलवेज अ कैट लवर. और ये जो वॉल स्टिकर्स है ना, मैं इसे भी मीशो से परचेज किया था. स्टिल वॉल्स पे नेल स्प्रे करना अलाउड नहीं है, इसलिए ओनली वॉल स्टिकर्स वुड डू. Also in the last video I've shown you these penguins which I bought from Meesho. I will again attach the link in the description box. All these home decor items are available at Meesho, and if you use my link you will also get a 10% of discount. So don't forget to check the links of these home decor products from Meesho in the description box below. एंड ये था बेड का कॉर्नर. आई थिंक सिंपल है पर आई लाइक इट अ लॉट. ज़्यादा फर्नीचर या ज़्यादा कुछ मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. आई वॉन्ट एंड लाइक इट टू कीप सिंपल एंड एलिगेंट. Coming to this corner, it's a door and there's a doormat. In the left hand side corner, I keep my shoes and a stick. You guys must be wondering why I keep a stick, because monkeys यहाँ बहुत आते हैं and they fear the sticks, so I keep it. We need to carry it. यहाँ पे देखो मैंने एडेसिव लगा दिया और कुछ हैंग करने का चीज़ है जो मैंने हैंग कर दिया, जैसे कि मेरी आईडी कार्ड, लूफा, की. एंड दिस इज़ अ रूम फ्रेशनर विच आई गॉट अ गिफ्ट. दिस इज़ wholly and purely organic and dried rose petals which gives a very soothing fragrance. We have a mirror here which is small but okay fine, we adjust. and यहाँ पर मैं comb वगैरह सब कुछ रखती हूँ, clips and all. I bought this basket from Miniso and it was so affordable and at the same time very cute. इसे मैं bathroom लेके जाती हूँ whenever I go for a wash or bath. This basket is too much spacious. As you can see, मैंने सब कुछ यहाँ पर रख दिया. शैम्पू, फेस वॉश, बॉडी वॉश, फेस स्क्रब, डेटॉल भी रखा है मैंने क्योंकि एक एंटीसेप्टिक रखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Also all over मैं यहाँ पे brush and all everything, every bathroom essentials I keep it over here because it has a good space in it. Coming to this storage box, it's a very spacious storage box and यहाँ पे मैं मेरी extras जो है उसे रखती हूँ. Extra in the sense skincare products, cosmetics and everything I keep over here. This is the Gulabi rose water which I use and it suits my skin, and all the things like you can see the wax strips, tissue, I have food wrapper, some bag, paper bags कुछ कैरी करने के लिए, और यहाँ पर मैंने कुछ नमकीज रखे हैं जो as a snack I can have it with my tea. I also have this antiseptic candid powder and nose strip and every other things like which are like I need but are extra. I can store it over here in this container type बैग. ये फोल्डेबल है एंड इसको कैरी करना बहुत ही आसान है गाइज. मान लो दैट यू आर ट्रैवलिंग एंड यू नीड टू कैरी दिस, यू कैन फोल्ड इट एंड यू कैन कैरी ऑन योर ट्रॉली. I will try to attach the link for all the products which I've bought from Meesho in the description. Please do check it out in case if you need it. Coming to this corner of my study table, firstly मैंने यहाँ पर शिवा और गणेशा का idol रखा है and I've bought this steel plate from Smart Bazaar क्योंकि पता है ना this is a wooden table and we can't use any candle or धूप ऐसे ही because there's a risk of getting fire and also we have so many wires of laptop, LAN and everything तो मुझे बहुत careful रहना पड़ता है. Whenever I give a धूप I always keep a distance from all this wire. And this basket contains some skincare, body care and hair care products which I've kept it on the table itself. और चाय के बिना तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ and I am just like nothing without green tea itself क्योंकि digestion के लिए और metabolism के लिए I need this so much every day and I also have the apple cider vinegar tablets over here. These are some dry fruits, mixed dry fruits बोल सकते हो like we have like almond and also walnut mixed in it and this is the chamomile tea which I take during the night before sleep. It gives a very soothing and a good sleep. उसके पास में is my electric kettle. ये तो मेरा जान है. Whatever I eat boiled, I just put water and boil it over here and it makes my task so easier. और ये white board मैंने पिछले वीडियो पे दिखाया था for my deadlines I have bought from Meesho itself. I would also attach the link in the description. You can check it out for the video. Before last night मैंने कुछ चना यहाँ पर भिगो के रखे थे and I just boil them in hot water with some salt and I have it in my dinner. It gives a good amount of protein to me. Apart from all this, I have my foods like I keep cucumber, multigrain bread, dates and other fruits also. Whenever I don't feel well to or like I don't like the mess food, I eat them. Last night मैंने tiramisu order किया था from Zepto Cafe. It was so good. I just washed off the container and kept it. And here I have also attached some stickers like teamwork. Nothing is impossible to a willing heart, which is a truly aspiring quote. मैंने यहाँ पर स्टडी टेबल के एकदम पास में ही चिपकाया क्योंकि I need to see them and get motivation sometimes. So this is how my whole study table looks. और यहाँ पर दो ड्रॉयर्स भी है. इन द फर्स्ट ड्रॉयर आई कीप माई एसेंशियल्स लाइक द फाइल्स, सेलोटेप, माई पर्स, microphone for vlogging and the stand for vlogging and every other things like the sharp objects, knife and nail cutters, धूप, सब कुछ यहाँ पर मैं रखती हूँ जो भी extras है but needed है for daily life. Down in this cupboard, I have my food items like the protein powder, chana powder, sattu and every other things like chia seeds, some masala bhi hai, kala chana hai, ghee hai and oats biscuit hai. These are the things without which I can't just survive over here. So I have to keep it. टेबल के नीचे यहाँ पे मैं डस्टबिन रखती हूँ. There is some space in this corner of the table so I keep my college bag over here and also the phenyl and every like mosquito repellent and all over here this place. Coming to this part of the bookshelf which I have in my hostel, यहाँ पर मैं books जो मैंने library से borrow किया है I keep them. Like I have the financial accounting book and also emotional intelligence at work and decision making. I am currently studying all these books and trying to gain some insights from them related to management itself. इसमें है notes, copy and journals. The best part of the room is that we get an individual cupboard which is so much spacious. See, I have hanged the bed broom over here on one side of the almirah and on the other side I have hanged my bag which is the gym bag and also I have hanged my regular type bags like the side bags and all. दिस सेक्शन आई हैव हैंग्ड माई ब्लेजर एंड माई स्वेटर. स्पेस नहीं था इसीलिए सिर्फ दो साड़ी ला पाए फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल occasions or any sari day in our college, and these are the amazing organizer which just occupies so much less space in the cupboard. I have also ordered them and bought from Meesho. You can also do that in case you need it. I will also attach the product link in the description below. यहाँ पर मैं सेग्रीगेट करके रख सकती हूँ क्लोथ्स को. समवेयर आई कीप फॉर्मल, here I keep the winter clothes, then I keep like the kurtis in one and one for the home wear. अलमीरा के नीचे पे स्पेस था, so I just adjusted all the bags and the luggage and the trolleys which I have bought from my home. In this drawer I keep all my utensils, tiffin box and everything, the minimalistics which I need for here to survive, the spoons and all. And in the other drawer, I keep the essentials for every woman like the sanitary pad and every other things for self woman care. बेड के नीचे यहाँ पे जो जगह है मैं यहाँ पे झाड़ू रखती हूँ. आई कुड हैव एडजस्टेड मेनी मोर थिंग्स ओवर हियर बट आई डोंट डू. एज आई सेड आई डोंट लाइक कंजेस्टेड स्पेस, तो यहाँ पे खाली रखती हूँ, बस एक झाड़ू रहता है. एंड दिस द मैट विच इज एंटी स्लीपरी. Yeah, this was it for today. Here I share with you all my hostel room tour. Share your feedback and honest suggestion in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my video, and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.